Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Today, inshallah, we talk about area, perimeter, and volume. Area of rectangle. Just quick revision about what we said before, okay? Just a revision about what we said before. We will start with area of rectangle. Then we'll talk about area of triangle and area of trapezium. This is just a revision, okay? So the first one we have to know area of rectangle. Area, what is the meaning of area? Area is a measurement of surface. Measurement of surface. If we ask you to find area, so we are asking you to find measurement of surface. Okay, measurement of surface. To find the area of rectangle, you need to do multiplication. Okay, so you will multiply width multiply by length, width multiply by length. As you see here in the slide, just to do multiplication between length and width, you will find area of rectangle. So from this law, okay, here you can find area if you say A equal L multiply W, length multiply width. Sometimes I will give you area. It's already in the question, will be area in the question. And for example, I will give you width, okay? So you have to find length. What you have to do, you have divide area divided by width to find length, if length is unknown in the question. If you have a area in the question, it's already known, you know the measurement of A, and you have length, and the question asks you to find width. You have to divide area divided by length, okay, and so on. So I said before, to be easy for you, you can draw a rectangle about this law. You can draw a rectangle. In this rectangle, I will say A equal what? Sorry, A will be up. Okay. A will be here. So A equal length multiply by width, which is W here. If you need someone, you have to put your hand on it. You have to put your hand on it. If you need W, put your hand on W, so it will be A divided by length. If you need to find length, put your hands here, so it will be A divided by W. If you need A, it will be length multiplied by W, and so on, okay? Just to check example here about this. To find area of rectangle, yard 7 meter long and 3 meter width, okay? So I have here length and width. You have to multiply, just multiplication. First of all, you have to write A equal length multiplied by width. So you have length here 7 meter, and you have width here 3 meter, so it will be 21 meter power 2. 21 meter power 2, and meter power 2, or meter square. This is a measuring unit of area. So that I'm saying many times, if you write 21 alone without meter power 2, you have to lose mark, because there is a mark, one mark sometimes will be 0.5 mark about measuring unit of area or measuring unit of volume. Once we are talking about volume, it will be meter cubed, yes, in power 3. But once we are talking about area, it will be meter power 2. Here, in this example, I will choose someone to read and participate with me. So because I need participation from you, just to ask Abdullah to read. slide, please. Example, second example.
Example. Find the area of this rectangle. Check your answer by counting square.
Okay.
Area equal length times width.
Yes.
And area equal 3m times 2m meter. Equal 6 meters per meter square.
Yes. Meter square.
And to check, we'll count the squares in the rectangle.
Yes, it will be 6 square as you see here, because we said before area is the measurement of surface. You are measuring the measurement of surface. Okay, I think it's very easy and it's very clear. Sometimes here I have the opposite. What is the opposite? Area, it's already in the question. You know, in general, when I'm talking about area, I'm asking you about area, but here, area it's already exists in the question, and even width exists already in the question, and our question about length. You have to do the same step. You have to write area equal length multiplied by width. Under area, you have to write the value of area. It will be 49.8 equal length. Check the question. Length exists already in the question? No, it's here. It's unknown. Multiply by width. What's width? It will be 6. So L is unknown. So you will divide 49.8 divided by 6 directly. Okay? If you divide 49.8 divided by 6, it will be 8.3. 8.3 centimeter. 8.3 centimeter. And again, if you write 8.3 without centimeter, without measuring unit of length, because measuring unit of length here is centimeter, you will use a mark. You will use a mark. Okay? Clear here? So now I will write a question and you choose someone to answer my question. My question about I have rectangle. Its area equal 30 meter power 2. 30 meter power 2. Okay, the 30 meter power 2, and length equal 6 meter. My question about width. How can you find W? Just raise your hand, please. Again. The question is area equal 30 meter power 2 and length equal 6, and you have to find width. Once you see rectangle, okay, you have to write the law. Area equal what multiplied by what. So let's to give a chance to Muhammad Al-Ashraf.
First, we will make area equal length time width.
Yes.
Then we will put 30 equal 6 time W.
Yes.
Okay. Then we will divide 30 with 6 and W with 6. W times 6 divide 6. Okay, when we divide it, the answer will be 6. The width equals 6. 6 is 6.
So what's the value of W finally?
6. The final 6.
How 6?
Because we make 30 divide 6.
So 30 divided by 6 equal what?
Equals 6.
30 divided by 6 equals 6. This means 6 multiplied by 6 equals 30. Can you check again, please? Can you check?
Wait.
Okay.
5. Okay.
5. 5 what? If you write 5, it's not complete answer.
5 centimeter power
Fi-
2.
No.
Without power 2?
Once the question about length or width, you have to write meter or centimeter according to the measuring unit in the question. According to measuring unit in the question. When you have to say power 2, when you calculate area, when you start to write measurement of area, but here you are writing what? You are talking about width, okay? Okay, Muhammad? You are talking
Yes, yes.
about width, okay? So if you are talking about width, W, or even if you are talking about length, L, you have to write meter or centimeter according to measuring unit in the question without power 2, because power 2 only in area, only when you calculate or what? Area. Clear?
Clear.
So W, it will be 5 or 5 meter power 2 or 5 meter?
5 meter.
5 meter, yes, exactly. Thank you. Thank you, boys. This is the area of rectangle. This is number one I need to talk about. Area of rectangle. Okay. Let's check here what we have here. Area of triangle. Area of triangle. We talked about area of rectangle. Let's talk about area of triangle. And who can read or who can participate? I need participation from you. Just I don't need listening only from you. No, no, no. I need you to participate with me. Who can participate with me just by reading here the go and finally tell me. This is a slide you can see area of triangle. Who can read?
Area of triangle.
Yes.
The area of triangle is the half the area of rectangle that surrounds it.
Yes.
The area of a triangle A with base length B and vertical height H is area of triangle equal half B times H.
Yes. Half P times H. Where B is the base length. B is the base length. H is the height. Okay. You have to detect what is the value of B, what is the value of H, and make multiplication between them. Divide by 2. Divide by 2. Let's check here the first. So this is the law you have to understand. Area of triangle equal 1 over 2 multiplied B multiplied by H. Here is the question. It's very easy, I think. Okay. In this example, we need to find area of these triangles. I have the first triangle and second triangle. The first triangle base length equal 4 centimeter and height is 3 centimeter. Directly, once you see the question about area of triangle, you have to remember, you have recall from your mind. You have recall from your mind the law of a triangle, the formula of a triangle. Once you recall area of a triangle, it will be 1 over 2 multiplied B multiplied by H. B is the base, it's already exists in the question 4 centimeter. Multiplied by H, H is 3 centimeter. So you have to say 1 over 2 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3. First of all, I prefer to find B multiplied by H. So it will be 4 multiplied by 3, 12 centimeter, then divide by 2. Then divide by 2. It will be 6 centimeter power 2. Attention here, Muhammad Al-Ashram, because here I am talking about area. So you have to say centimeter power 2. Centimeter power 2. Even here, in the second example, in example B, I'm talking about area, you have to say centimeter power 2 as well. But if you are talking about base or height, it will be, look, centimeter alone. Here, centimeter. Down here, the base is centimeter. Here, even here, centimeter. Okay.
Okay.
So you have to differentiate. You have to differentiate between measuring unit of area and measuring unit of length. Measuring unit of area is centimeter power 2 or meter power 2, according to the measuring unit you have in the question, and measuring unit of base or of base length or height is centimeter or meter alone, according to the measuring unit which already exists in the question. Okay. So in this example here, who can read this example and can participate with me and tell me what he did? Who can? Just raise your hand, please. Me. Who can? Abdullah?
Yes, Mr. What's the question?
The question to read and to discuss and explain example B.
Okay. The area of triangle equal 1/2 B times H.
1/2.
And the triangle and the height is 4 cm and the base is 6 cm. So I will do area of rectangle equal 1/2 times 6 cm times 4 cm.
Yes.
And the answer will be 12.
No, not 12. The answer is not 12.
12 cm square.
Yes. Yes. Okay. So the answer is
12 centimeter square.
centimeter square. Centimeter square, because here you are talking about area. Because you are talking about area, so it will be centimeter square or something like that. This is what I need to say about area of triangle. Even here, maybe I will give you the value of area, and I'm asking you about B, or I'm asking you about H by the same, okay? As we said before. In this example, who can read and explain for me? Jasser? Okay, Jasser, can you read and explain?
The example, find the missing side of this for this triangle.
Yes.
The area of triangle is known by half multiply base multiply height. And here we've got the area is 58.8. And we've got what is unknown is the base. So as we do always, we leave the unknown and continue with its known. 7 multiply half will be 4.5, and divide by 58.8 equals 16.8. 16.8 centimeter is the base.
Yes.
If you want to, we can make it in fraction, but if you go multiply both sides, you must multiply 2/7, not 7/2.
Yes.
And if you want to multiply the other side, I mean 58.8, then it will be, as I said, 2 over 7. And if you wanted to multiply for the base, then 7 over 2 multiply base multiply 2 over 7.
Yes, so you have to cancel 2 with 2, 7 with 7, then
that's all I know, teacher. Thank you.
okay, thank you, Jasser. As he said here, just you have to write the formula A equal 1 over 2 multiply B multiply by H. And area, it's already exists in the question, 58.8 equal 1 over 2. Okay, this is a known value, multiply by B. B is unknown, the base is unknown, multiply by H, and H is a 7 here in the question. Okay, so it will be 58.8 equals 7 over 2 multiplied by B, multiply both sides by 2 over 7, cancel 2 with 2, 7 with 7, so the result will be 16.8 centimeter, 16.8 centimeter. This is about area of triangle, and we talked about area of rectangle before. If we need to check here, area of trapezium. This is the last one we have today, area of trapezium. In area of trapezium, I talked about it before, but just now this is just a revision about it. If you remember when I talked about area of trapezium, what I said, area of trapezium equal what? My question to who can tell me? Okay, Abdullah, area of trapezium.
Area of trapezium equal 1 over 2 times A plus B.
Yes.
Times the height.
Times height. Height is H. Height is H. Okay. Where A and B. Okay.
A is what? B is base.
B is Mister.
B.
Mister. Increase, please. Yes.
B is base.
B.
What is base?
Yes.
A what, James? I don't know.
A, as you see here. Okay. A and B. Two parallel sides. Two parallel sides. B is the downside and A is the upper side. Okay, as you see here in the picture. If you look at the picture, you can see A. If you look at the picture, you can. Okay, boys. Okay, clear? Abdullah, let's read.
Yes.
Here's the question.
Example, find the area of this trapezium. Area of trapezium equal 1 over 2 times A plus B times H.
Yes.
From this shape, A equal 8 centimeter and B equal 12 centimeter and H equal 6 centimeter.
Yes.
Now substitute the numbers in the formula.
Yes, just substitute numbers in the formula. Very, very good.
Area of trapezium equal 1 over 2 times 8 plus 12.
Yes.
Times 6. And this equals 10 times 6. And the answer is 60 centimeters square.
Yes. Excellent. Because if you notice here, if you notice here, it will be 6 centimeter power 2 because I'm talking about area. Because I'm talking about area. Okay. So area of trapezium, 1/2, 8 plus 12 multiplied by 6. If you multiply these numbers together, it will be 60 centimeter power 2. 60 centimeter power 2. Okay, boys, clear?
Yes.
This is area of trapezium. Who can tell me I talked about what now today? I talked about area of what, area of what, area of what? Amr, can you participate with us, Amr?
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam. Where are you? Can you tell us, I talked about what?
Area of trapezium
Yes,
and area of rectangle.
yes.
On
And area of?
Triangle.
Yes, area of triangle. Excellent. Area of trapezium, area of rectangle, and area of triangle. Clear? Is it clear?
Yes.
Anyone have any question?
Yes.
No.
No.
Clear, boys?
Yes.
Yes.
Just you need to know the formula, then you can solve any question about area of triangle, area of trapezium, or area of rectangle. Okay?
Okay.
Any question?
No, thank you.
Thank you, boys, for attendance. Thank you for all. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.